Well, that was a bit of a pain in the ass, but I got it. With the world's shortest fucking chain. Which makes for a pain in the ass like this, because then you end up in fucking snowbanks and off the trail because the chain's so fucking short. But hey, what do you do? Don't lend out chains. That's it. That's all I gotta say. Because then you don't have them when you need them. Okay, there we go. Get back on track here. There we go. Back on the road. See Jordan over there. All I can say is this was a long ass day. Well, morning so far, just to get this thing. And a whole bunch of plowing. And then you get spots like this you can't turn because I picked it up from the back end. But hey, what do you do? So I plowed that road all the way back there. And then I had to plow all this way the fuck over there. A little speck in the distance is my truck. But hey, all in the name of Demolition Derby.